Hello! In today's video lesson, I'll show you how to fix Roblox error code 262. But first, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any helpful tutorials. Let's now start. Insert a strong network connection. Restart your router and disable VPN if using one. Open the browser you use to run Roblox. Select Settings and navigate the Site Settings. Enter Privacy and Security area. Go to Cookies and Site Data to see all site data and permissions. Resolve issues with Roblox. Delete site data and cookies. Log back into your Roblox account. Try launching the experience. Check App Data Percentage in your Start menu. Navigate to App Data and Local. Then remove the entire Roblox folder. Don't worry, it will re-download all essential files. Ensure you have the necessary permissions to run Roblox on your computer. Open the file location of the Roblox Player app. Right-click the shortcut and choose Open File Location. To resolve your issue, right-click on the Roblox Player Launcher.exe application to open its properties, and select Run this program as administrator in the Compatibility section. This will undoubtedly resolve your issue. That's all for now, everyone. Thanks for watching.